All right. Well, it's been a long time. So lots happened. Life's happened. But first, let's just go ahead and unbox this one of two turbos. I already unboxed the one and put it on the car. So yeah, you might be asking, why would I buy two turbos? Well, because I'm pretty sure you guys don't even know that I twin turbo with the S13. I don't know. It's been a minute since I've uploaded. Oh, there she is. So this is a GT30, or no, I lied. That is a GT28. This is MaXpeedingRods Street Performance Turbo. So it's got like a billet wheel and all that good pizzazz. I don't know why I put away the thing like that was gonna make a difference here. So we're gonna one take this whole video because I don't have my editing rig set up. And yeah, so it's been a minute. So, okay, we have the package. We'll bring the package over here. But yeah, so we'll give this a really unflattering view. Oh boy. Alright, so it's been a minute. Life's happened. I got divorced, and I met a new lady. And life's been good. So, let's see here. So, these things are very pretty turbos. It's got a gold plated, I guess. I'm guessing it's gold plated or zinc coated, something, or no, I don't know, something along that lines. Billet turbo. So I don't run the internal wastegate. So I actually bought these just cheap, no name, $100 turbos. These things are like, it's like $220 or something like that piece. So not a bad deal for that. It's made out of better materials, stuff like that. I think it's bounced, stuff like that. That'll help you gain a little bit. So yeah, definitely happy with it. I only got one on the car. I took it to work today actually with only the one on the car, and it seems to make a little bit better noises, and I feel like it moves faster. Could just be a placebo effect. But yeah, I'll have a link in the description for those since they cut me a deal. But yeah, reason why I got new ones is because I had or I still got on the other side blown turbo seals, so she smokes like none other. So S13 has seen some stuff. It's got clear hood now, twin turbos, all that good stuff. I will post a video in the near future with kind of all the stuff that I have been up to. I literally just put a new seat in it. It's got a boost controller, so I can have some high-low boost controls. And then I actually just recently traded the 18s I had for these seals tires. Those are actually more 17s of these 1552 tarmacs. So yeah. Now here's where the really bad news comes in. I suppose if you want to unsubscribe, wouldn't blame you. So I don't know, I've kind of just come to the conclusion that the Fiero has to go. I was like contemplating trying to sell a whole. It's not a thing. Nobody's gonna be able to give me anywhere near anything to where I'm gonna feel okay seeing this thing being driven by somebody else. So next best thing is part it out. So we're gonna be parting out all this shit, like the front clip, hood, stuff like that. I have a lineup on a couple bits here. So hopefully we'll get some of that sold. If there is something on the car that you're interested in, wheels, the Willwood brake setup. Ideally, I want to try and sell, like if you're going to buy the brakes, I want to sell you the rotors, the calipers, the brake lines, the brake master, everything that you theoretically are going to need, I'd like to sell to you. Ideally, I don't want to ship it, but if I have to, I will. But yeah, the motor is actually I'm going to keep, because I'm going to end up putting that in the S13, just because I'm trying to focus more on the drifting. I really like it a lot more. I autocrossed this car a good couple of times, and I don't know. Autocross compared to drifting is my thing. That's my sport. It's an extreme sport in my opinion, so I like it. Really no way to put it, but it will be parted out. I think I look forward to seeing other Fieros with my parts on it. But yeah, sucks, but at the same time, I think it's what's best. The car has sat for damn near 2 years now at this point, and yeah, I don't know. I tried to get it running, and I mean, it runs, but literally got it out to drive it, needed a new fuel filter, bought a new fuel filter, went to start it the other day to go take it out on the road and tune it, and it doesn't want to start. Battery was dead, not surprised. Replaced the battery with another one I had that I know was good, and it just kind of doesn't want to start. So, which is because I'm pretty sure it's just the wire that goes from the battery to the starter and the alternator. Sure, that may not sound like a big deal, but let's be real here. I've put $35,000 into this car in the last 8-9 years, whatever I've had it, and yeah, I think I'm burnt on the car. Unfortunately, I am burnt on the car. But the car, like the chassis itself, is going to stay with me. And so the game plan here is part out the car, focus on the drifting, and when and if life is like, hey, let's build something else. I want to build an off-road Fiero really bad. So we're going to build an off-road Fiero out of this chassis. When? No idea. But that is the future of this car. So yeah, if you are interested in any of the bits and the pieces on this thing, leave a comment, I suppose. We'll talk. I'm located in Wisconsin, Dells, Wisconsin, so it's a great tourist place. So if you want to come here on vacation and pick up some car parts, just let me know. Literally everything is for sale. So, but yeah, that is the update. Well, the update before the update. So this is basically just going over unboxing the new turbos for the S13 and kind of just giving you an update on what is to be expected. Like I said, I would like to get another Fiero eventually that's just not modified, but only time will tell. Life is crazy, so we'll just put it at that. Yeah, I'm much happier now than I was before, so that's all that matters. Now, time to move forward, get into what I want to do, I guess. I mean, not like I haven't been with this car, but just life. We're just rambling on at this point. But yeah, S13's been pretty good. I did do drift event. I did burnout pit and a drift event at Automotion. Like I said, that will be in the other post. I gotta try and get a couple more videos from some people. I did not film a single thing that day. That's kind of been a thing that I've been experiencing, is me not wanting to film things. I don't know if it's not so much not wanting to, but I'm just like really trying to enjoy. Just trying to enjoy it. Just trying to enjoy the car stuff. Kind of get that passion going again, I guess, because there's definitely been a lack of like motivation to work on cars and just generalized. I'm much happier now, and I got good support behind me, and hopefully the drifting will be a good outlet. So, but yeah, I guess you know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Hopefully we'll see a couple more here soon. But yeah, I'm out.